Shandong M.Rise Machinery Equipment Co., Ltd., established in 2017, has been focusing on the research and development, production, sales and service of laser equipment. Due to its excellent quality and efficient service, M.Rise Laser equipment have been exported to 70+ countries and regions. M.Rise Laser has machining centers, profile processing equipment, various drilling and sawing machines, and finishing equipment, more than 30 staff, to meet the customer's requirement for basic parts, accuracy, and supply cycle. Product quality is the lifeblood of M.Rise Laser. The quality control system includes qualified inspection of incoming materials, process detail inspection, factory evaluation and inspection, whole process checking, full participation to ensure that excellent quality laser machine is delivered to you. Module assembly and standard production technology. Every process is carried out in strict accordance with the standard operation instructions to ensure that every machine is produced in accordance with the design requirements. M.Rise Laser has built a complete service system, including pre-sales, consultation, sales support, and after-sales service stages. At the same time, M.Rise Laser has set up multi-language engineers to support 24 hours a day online to meet needs of pre-sales communication and program matching, free sample production during sales, after-sales installation training, and maintenance work. Meet your requirements quickly and without barriers.